Hi, welcome to the Strayos Academy. My name is Jon Lewis, and I'm going to be talking about how to determine the swell factor for complex benches, all from within the Strayos platform. Swell factor is an important KPI to track because it acts as another way of understanding fragmentation and overall blast performance. Swell factor is simply the post-blast rock volume divided by the pre-blast rock volume. The reasons muckpile swell is because of the void space in the muckpile as well as the random fragment shapes of the blasted rock. So what I have here is the create new project screen because the first step in being able to determine a swell factor for the complex bench is to be able to link the pre and post blast data sets together upon importation. So from here, what we'll do is we would have already uploaded our pre-blast data set and we'll be uploading our post-blast data set, and then we'll toggle this button, and then we'll actually select the pre-blast project in order to link them together. So this allows the information to transfer between both of them. So once we do that, we'll come to our data set here. This is a pre-blast. We'll navigate to the shot plan. Once we do that, we can see that this draw shot boundaries icon pops up in the toolbar, and we'll select that icon, and that will allow us to begin drawing our first shot boundary. So we'll do that. We will name this, shot 1, assign its appropriate color, and I know the depth in which these holes were drilled. That is something you'll have to know in order to triangulate the actual volume. So we'll put that 25, 35, and we'll save that. And then from there, we can see that there is our shot 1. We will begin, we'll just go ahead and toggle that on, and we'll start drawing our second shot, which is up here, the boundary for that. And it is actually shot to the elevation of the top of this shot, of shot 1. So we'll call that shot 2, make it red, and we'll go to 25, 85, and save. So then we will go to our post blast. And as you can see, here is the muckpile. We will navigate to muckpile AI, and we will go to profile. And to make things easier, we're just going to turn on those shot boundaries. So we actually are able to overlay the pre-blast shot boundaries on the muckpile itself. So we will go to create a muckpile, and we're just going to kind of outline the very first muckpile. So as you can see, this one is going to be shot, or this one's going to have a different bottom elevation than the other two, just because it, there's just the actual floor here, and then there's the depth elevation for this one and the depth for that one. So we will call this the main muckpile. Its toe elevation is 2540. We'll make that green. And this is actually where we can link the specific shot boundaries to the muckpile. So since we're looking for an overall swell factor, we're going to go ahead and link shot 1 and shot 2 to this. And we'll actually create a group. So we'll call this, shot swell factor. Click save. So now you can see that we can toggle on this muckpile back and forth. We can, see the volume of this, and we can select, manual, linear fit, similar to what you would be able to do with a stockpile. So let's go ahead and toggle this off, and we'll create another muckpile. And we're just going to follow the same boundaries as shot number 1. I think, yep. So we'll call this, how about 1 muck, the toe elevation will be the elevation in which shot number 1 was shot to, which we determined to be 2535. We'll make that, purple. We'll go ahead and associate it with those shot boundaries, and we're actually going to select the group in which we did muckpile, the main muck. So we'll save that. I know it says main muck there, but upon refresh, it will be corrected. So no need to worry about that. We are just going to kind of do the same thing. Ooh, kind of messed up there, but we'll fix that. You have like a little bit of material out here, so we'll cover that. We'll call this 2 muck. We know that was shot to 2585. We'll make that orange. Link it. Select our group. Save. Let's go ahead and let that refresh. Easier if we just actually refresh it. Complex bench, post. So as you can see, there is all the information. We can bring this in afterwards. We can actually also correct it here. So now we see that, we see the shot boundaries. If we scroll down to the bottom for the group, we can see that the swell factor is 1.189. So that means the material swelled about 19%. Considering a average kind of muck pile swell factor is about 25%, a 19% makes sense. So I hope this video has been helpful. If you want to find more information or videos like this, please navigate to the Strayos website, which is strayos.com. The link will be in the description. Thank you so much for listening, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.